Day 3 truck build today, and we are taking the big girl hopefully to get over the weighbridge to see how much weight we've got to work with, and off to Bunnings to pick up a few bits and pieces. I just got to get her out of mum and dad's backyard now. We just went to the tip to get the the truck weighed. I really got to stop calling it the bus. Clear. And it was a bit of a bust because we got there and the weighbridge has been calibrated, so we can't use it at the moment. It might be a couple of hours, so I guess we'll do a Bunnings run and then see where we're at from there. $16. So as a backup, we've just gone to the local grain place, Simplicity Seeds or Horizon Commodities. You cleared my way now. Clear. And they've just weighed us, and we weigh 5.44 tonnes with Tom on board, and the battery sitting in the back, and the tail lift's still on. So we've got plenty of weight to play with, and they charged us a whopping $16.50. So that was great. I think we're off to Hayman Reese to look at electrical next. Change of plans. Tom decided we're going to Hayman later, and he just drove past the turn up to Bunnings. So now we're going out to a wrecker, local wrecker, to see if they have any bull bars, tow bars, underbelly tanks, things we might be able to use for the build. And our second trip to Bunnings in nearly as many days. So I feel like we've spent half the day kicking around, kicking tyres and achieving nothing, but we did get a spare tyre and a rim from the Smash wreckers, so that's something. One thing it was missing. That's one thing off the list. And then for the afternoon, Tom just finished stripping out bits and pieces, cutting the bars out, and the last lot of wiring for the lights and things, and I got in and slashed up all the little holes and divots around and just getting things taped up and ready for paint. She's officially stripped out, and I have washed the walls, and as a fire truck it was full of black soot, but the walls are now cleaned and prepped for painting. So hopefully today I'll get some taping up done, and then I probably won't get anything done tomorrow. I've got a pretty busy day, and then after that, painting, I think. It's only 3:30, but calling it quits for the day. There's not much point going any further now for the day. I have all the walls sanded, everything's taped up, all the little rivet holes and things have been filled, gap filled and puttied. So we're now just up to priming. I've got a day out with the family tomorrow planned, and then we'll get into that most likely on Thursday.